Good day, everybody. Welcome to another video. Today we're dealing with trigonometry grade 11 examples on identity. As we see there, we have got an example there. It is saying that 1 minus sine to the power of 4 theta is equals to cos squared theta in brackets 1 plus sine squared theta. Okay, let's have a look at how we're going to deal with this one. Remember, with identities, you just need to prove that the left hand side, if the left hand side is simpler one to deal with, is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so that when we mark here, you can tell us, you can say from the left hand side, you have got 1 minus sine 4 theta. Okay, all right. So now, as you can see here, when you look at this one, you have got a 1 there, then a sine to the power of 4. If you remember, in let me just make an example here. If you remember, in factorization, we had something like this. We had something like 1 minus x squared, and you would deal with this one as a difference between two squares. Okay. If you don't remember factorization, please have a look at videos that we did on this channel on factorization. Okay, this would be the difference between two squares. Okay, let's say from another example, you have got what is 1 minus x to the power of 4, the same as here, as 1 minus sine to the power of 4. You would come here and say double bracket, because this is the difference between two squares. 1 1, then you can say plus x squared x squared there, and then you can say minus x to the power of 2. Okay, so since you know how to deal with one, it should be easy to deal with this one here. You can just come and say equals to, then you can do your double bracket, there. You can say 1 plus and then this side 1 minus. Okay, sine squared, you can say sine to the power of 2 theta, 1 minus sine to the power of 2 theta. Okay, therefore this should give you the difference between two squares. Okay, but you need to remember, from identities, we know that from this identity of sine squared x plus cos squared x is equals to 1, which also will give us the fact that cos squared x is equals to 1 minus sine squared x. Okay, so this is there in your formula sheet. Therefore, because here we've got 1 sine squared, you can take cos and then substitute it there. Okay, therefore you can say 1 plus sine squared theta, 1 sine squared theta, and then here you would substitute it with cos squared theta. Therefore, there you go. Then you can just rearrange it. It's going to be cos squared theta in bracket 1 plus sine squared theta. Okay, which is equals to the right hand side. Therefore, you have proven your identities, then you can get full marks. Always remember, with identities, what you are trying to do, you are trying to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So whatever you do while solving these equations on identity, you must change to the possibilities or to the identities that will take you to the right hand side answer. Okay, you don't just change to anything. Change, because you can keep on changing without making any mistakes, but you won't be getting to the right hand side. Okay, so please make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can get a distinction, and we'll dish more examples on identities for grade 11. See you on the next upload.